So hey guys, how are you all? Hope you all fine. So friends, in my today video I went to Janpat market that is situated in Connaught Place to explore the latest collection of the market. So be with me and watch till end. Enjoy the video with me. So friends, when you enter into the market, you find this shop on which you can buy different kinds of stylish belts with low price. This is on the left side. You can also purchase flower pots from this shop. From this market, you can also purchase different kinds of accessories, and on this shop, you can purchase all of them at a low price of rupees 50. After this shop, there is one more shop having so beautiful earring collection, and the starting range is rupees 30. You can also purchase beautiful neck pieces from this shop. I am showing you right now. So pretty they are. I find a shop with so beautiful sunglasses, and personally I love them so much. You can also purchase sunglasses for kids. Yeah, and the quality was so good as compared to the price. You can see all of them are my favorite, and maybe for yours too. You can see I love them. After that I find a shop of purses. You can see the purses, the quality, the designs. You can also purchase lunch bags from this shop. From Janpat market, you can also collect Indian wear like kurtis, palazzo sets, V-shaped kurtis, ankle length kurtis, and party wear kurtis also. And this grey one is my personal favorite. On the number 1. Look at this Afghan style kurti. And the second favorite of mine is this pink one. And my last favorite, this blue one. Which one is your favorite? Comment below in the comment section box. You can also purchase midi dresses from here. Night suits, daily wear. I really love the denim collection of Janpat market. It includes all range like jackets, jeans, skirts, shorts, dangry, bell bottom style pants, cargo style shorts, jackets with hoodies, and you can see, you can find many colors, many shades, many styles for both girls and boys. The denim like jeans starting range is rupees 200 in this market, and so on. You can also bargain from this market. If you see, you can also purchase cotton pants from this market. You can also see the quality of the jeans, and look at this black skirt. OMG, this one is so pretty. And now see, I find home decor. Home decor is my like crush. I love to see and buy home decor items. And now you can see the beautiful lamps, and these mini hookahs. The wall watches, bells, so come on, it's time to see the top collection. Yeah, see the denim shirts, t-shirts, look at this top, and the all tops are up to maximum up to rupees 500. Look at the collection. You can also purchase one piece. Palazzo pants, Instagram trending tops, night suits, one piece again. Look at this black one. Look at this cute shorts, Mickey t-shirts, Mickey and Minnie both. Look at this shirt. Look at these loafers. I find a shop with loafers only and only for loafers and t-shirts. Look at this black kurti. This black kurti is of Afghan style. And look at this top, so cute top. Instagram trending tops. And now I'm ending up the video with these beautiful cushion cover collection. They were so pretty.